Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. You already know we are here in the streets, cleaning the game slowly but surely. Today we're gonna be learning how to do our edges, because you know we don't want crusty looking edges. Don't get me wrong, we can all look bomb with our edges being all natural, honey, but you know, if you're here for this video, that means you want to know how to do edges. I want to be showing you guys how I do my edges. There are different ways for different people that suits you, but I'm just going to be showing you guys the way I do it. So let's get to it. guys, so that's the end of this YouTube video. You can use anything you want. Some people use a toothbrush, some people use a rat comb. Whatever you want to use, you can do, as long as you have a good holding gel. Some people use got-to-be glue or edge control. After this, what you guys can do is wrap it up in a little, like a silk scarf, and you can sleep on it, or you can just have it on for a couple of hours and you'll be good to go. I personally don't ever put the scarf and I'm fine. But not everybody's hair is the same. Some people really do need it to have them laid for the rest of the day, honey. So it's really up to you. Edges are very unique to the person, so they don't have to look exactly the same as everybody else's edges. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Please share with your friends. Comment below whatever you guys might want to see next, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.